Black Friday is underway in New Hampshire. Stores hoping doorbuster deals get shoppers in early and spending their money. Jim Smith is at the Best Buy in Salem, New Hampshire right now.
Black Friday began Thursday night at the Best Buy here in Salem, New Hampshire.
Woo! Woo! Happy Black Friday!
The doors opened at 5 and bargain hunters flooded in. Sometimes one purchase led to another.
We came in for a laptop and we decided to pick up a soundbar too.
Let's go! Oh, let's fucking get it!
And in many cases, Thanksgiving dinner was put on hold. Black Friday is expected to be busier than ever this year.
Peace out! Say what's up to the vlog! Yeah! Where's that dickhead? I love it. I fucking love it.
This place will be open until 1 a.m. in Salem, New Hampshire. Jim Smith, CBSN, Boston.
What's up, bro?
What's up, homie?
How you doing, man? Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Black Friday, bro. We're going to the place we work, Best Buy. Wait, no. Holy fuck, bro. There's cops there usually. Bro, stop it. When I say it's good, you're good. Just trust me, bro. I drive these roads every day. Doesn't matter. Don't get pulled over, you dumbass. I'm bringing this camera in and I'm vlogging this. We're gonna see how crazy it is.
PlayStation 4 time.
Hey!
I'm the type of guy that does not give a fuck and would drift around a police car while he's chasing me.
Why? Just avoid the fucking confrontation. Jesus Christ.
I just wanted to see your facial expression change.
There's a cop near Texas Roadhouse. You know how it is.
Yeah, I know. There you go. Go on the third. How's that? No, I'm kidding. I was just joking that entire fucking time. I just wanted to see what you would say as a reaction.
No fucking shit.
I'm not actually like
you're good. No! Oh my god. Alright, so we're going to, this is like a little Black Friday vlog. We'll call it this. Black Friday vlog. We're going to the store we work, Best Buy. Fuck Popeyes, bro. Your sandwiches are great. Everything else is fucking shit.
Our vlog. Oh, shit.
What?
Bless you 5 times. 3 times. It's always 3 times. Like 3 times the charm, bitch. Here it comes. You have a fucking turbo. Don't even tell me about NA when you have a turbo.
That's why I went turbo. For my daily and my fucking beater.
Daily is the Mazda, your beater is the Saab.
Yeah, Saab 9.3s are slept on.
So is my my 86 when I get a turbo kit.
Let's fucking do this shit. I'm so mad because I'm gonna be here in fucking 6 hours. Alright, whatever, fuck it, right?
Exactly.
They close at 1.
Yeah.
So,
you know what the shitty part is?
What?
If they don't have any AC.
Oh, the Geek Squad vans aren't there right now, so, oh fuck, they're doing a whole line shit, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, they're going hard. Yo, people are just walking out with TVs left and right. I wonder if I can't walk into the exit because I work here. What the f is this doing? I know. What the f is this doing? What's good, Kelvin? Say what's up. Happy Black Friday, bro. How you doing? Chilling. I work tomorrow at 7:45. My bad. I'm being a nerd on YouTube, bro. What's good?
Oh, YouTube.
Bro, I just got this camera from here, bro. It's $1,200. I got it for $600. How you guys doing? This looks stupid. Yeah, it's like your first like 2 weeks here, right?
Well, it's like my 3rd week here.
Yeah, that's stupid. Gonna try to get to 400,000 subs by the end of the week. What's up, Lenny? I just copped this camera, bro, from here for like half off, bro. It was.
And now you're recording everybody like an asshole.
Bro, I gotta do it, bro. I gotta do the vlogs. Yeah, everyone working today? Yeah, everyone's working today. Everyone's working today. This is stupid.
I don't want that. I want a PS4.
All right.
Marc, and you're here? No, bro. You see it from me?
Yo, wait, Miles is working right now. Oh. Yeah, we gotta find him.
Damn it, I gotta, fuck. Let's find PS4 first and find Miles.
Well, all right, yeah. Xboxes. Bro, mad Xboxes. I'd be surprised if they already sold out because they have mad PS4s. Oh, my boy, well, he just started working at Best Buy. He's a cadet now. He's gonna start like in 4 days. He wants a PS4, but like, what's the best deal you guys got? Oh, okay. Word. Thank you. What's up, Phil? Phil the future. Hi. You want to be in my vlog?
Are you vlogging about Black Friday?
Kinda.
Yeah, we're better than everybody else.
Goddamn right. Woo! Store 419. Pound it. How you guys doing today? You guys doing good though?
We're doing the best because we're the best.
So, oh my god, this is outrageous.
Adam's the sign guy.
Yeah. Woo! I'm vlogging, dude. What's up? How you doing? Yeah. It's the autofocus and Matt. What's up, bro? All right, you got the PS4? $200? Yeah, there it is, bro. 200. How are you? Hey, what'd you get? You got a PS4 Slim controller, COD Modern Warfare, and what?
Yeah, I got a controller that you swapped out because someone told you it looked bad.
Need for Speed Heat as well.
Saying my eyes itch, you know, and my hand itchy with. Sucks.
I know. Shut in a second.
I want you to help me get arrested.
Oh, they said an erection.
No.
How can I help you get an erection? What's poppin' YouTube? Let's get to 400K subscribers by the end of the week. What's up, you guys?
I got like 4. What do you mean 400?
Shut the fuck up. I have like 500. People look at you like,
get me arrested.
I don't give a fuck.
Get arrested. It's freedom of speech. You
I work here.
Arrested?
I don't give a shit.
Yeah, it's great. Fantastic. 400K end of the week.
Permission to record me?
You gotta now. Can I upload this on YouTube?
I'm not giving you any yes or no.
I'm not fucking monetized.
Royals.
What royals? I have like 400 subs.
This sentence alone. This sentence alone is demonetized. Yeah, shut the N-word.
Yeah, I know. You're like, what?
Watch you saying the N-word. It's YouTube. Stop doing that. I'm racially.
All right.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
And they're gonna be like, who's that girl racially profiling and cultural appropriation?
And I'm Dominican.
That's a technical version of what I was gonna say. Good
No,
job.
we got the N-word. Pass the fuck Dominicans. I got black people, white people, medium people in my family. Medium people.
Never. I'm not saying that out loud.
I got them all. I don't give a fuck. Let's go. Do you want the Pro for 380?
Should I get the Pro or should I get the Slim?
It's your choice.
Do I care about 4K?
Your face is in 4K right now.
Yeah, it's fucking awesome, isn't it? No.
It's actually 720p. I'm only
I don't have a 4K TV, so let's go. Hey,
Something.
I don't have a 4K TV, so let's go. 1080p it is.
Not zooming into your mouth for testing. Bye.
Hi, Aaron.
You never downloaded EverQuest 2.
But I don't need it because I have a PS4.
That's why I got a PS4.
I love zooming into people's faces. Just
Great. There's gonna be like a movie.
Aaron.
hi.
Hi.
Yes, sir.
Busy. It's dead in here.
I mean, so far, yeah. It's gonna get worse. All right.
Oh, it's alright.
How did I know that was you still?
I love you, Phil.
Very annoying.
I fucking.
Where are you going?
Where's the checkout?
Where the giant signs?
Where? Oh. Like we can't hit 500K by the end of the week.
Fucking long was a line.
Yeah, dude, they literally made an artificial line.
Yeah. An AI line out of microwaves and fucking stoves. Alright, recording?
Yep. Bro, so are you gonna get the turbo kit soon?
Yeah. 2 months. BRZ 86 FRS, whatever you want to call it. 280 wheel horsepower in about 3 months.
Yes. I should stop recording. Next time we'll
Stop recording because we're in line. They don't want to see this shit, and then we'll just record when we go back to the car. I have my face.
You got a PS4, $200 PS4. You got two $40 games, a $40 controller, $320 for 2 games, controller, and the PS4.
Not the PS4 Pro though. I probably should have gotten the Pro.
No, because you don't have a 4K TV. There's no point.
What if I get a 4K TV?
It doesn't matter because the PS5 is going to be out by the time you do that. Yeah, it's Alan Garcia. A-L-L-E-N. Woo! Yeah, fucking, he's going to realize I have like
No subscribers.
400,000. No. All right, so when that guy was like, wow.
Who gives a fuck?
Happy Black Friday! Peace out! Oh, bro, I love that. Yo, I gotta show you that video. Yo, they were like, woo!
Let's go!
Oh, let's fucking get it! Come on, you're good. Woo! He just dabbed, bro. Peace out! Say what's up to the vlog! Yeah! We're such dickheads, I love it. I fucking love it. Living life. Holy shit! You just accelerated in front of the store manager.
I know. Who's the store manager?
Alright, this is the end of our vlog. We had some fun. We're being dickheads. There's cops everywhere.
We're not being dickheads, we're being people.
We're being fun. Copyright!
Take